Parabuild is steel detailing software that can model all types of structural steel in 3D. It automatically produces the bills of material, shop drawings and CNC files needed to fabricate and erect a structure. In this video, we'll look at Parabuild's parametric modeling. This example is a template drawing of a fully constrained stair tower with a smart array that will copy and update geometry as the model parameters are changed. All parameters determining the size of the stair, such as the height, number of floors and floor height, are all modifiable. Now, we'll add an additional floor by simply changing the value in the dialog. There are no limits to the number of floors we can add. All geometry is copied with its constraints, so instead of just copying geometry, each part will be recalculated individually. Unique changes can still be made to each individual floor or component without breaking the intelligence. Here, we reset the handrail stanchion spacing in the railing dialog, and then the width of the stair. Such a change can be done for just one floor, making it unique, without this breaking the intelligence of the staircase. The next example is a fully constrained template of a portal frame building, where the number of portals and the cladding are flexible as they are defined by smart arrays. We can freely modify the extent of the building, including its height, its overall length, number of portal frames, the column height, and the span. After each change, all component parts of the building, including the beams, rafters, connections and cladding, are all automatically updated. This template drawing can be adapted and changed with different connections, bracing, other cladding types, and this can be done in the same template drawing without any programming. This is another example of a fully constrained portal frame building, utilizing smart arrays to make the number of portals and purlins adjustable by simply changing a value. Individual connections and bracings can be swapped out for others, and a smart array will incorporate these new choices without breaking the overall intelligence of the model. And this is an example of a fully dynamic transmission tower using a smart array, demonstrating the flexibility of macros and arrays. This tower was not programmed, rather it was drawn and constrained. The size and number of segments can be changed by editing the macro and smart array values. When we change the number of segments, you can see the size of each segment copy adjust to its local situation, because they're recalculated using the constraints that were copied along with the geometry. By zooming in and navigating the model, you can see that all member lengths, quantities and connection details will be automatically updated after such a change. For more information, please visit us at our website at parabuild.com.